Away we go. Okay, I just need to look at charts. Hmm. Tesla's kind of weird. What does TSLL do? I mean, what's it doing? Hmm. It's interesting. Okay. 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 Honestly, this microphone kind of helps me keep my hands away from my mouth, away from my face. We got London on the track. Circle's coming down hard. That's a longer term downtrend. That's interesting. What else do we have? I'm excited to look at BOKF. Yeah, that's good. Oil futures. Seems like it's a bunch of natural gas. Future. Oh, I don't have the chart stuff on there anymore. Damn. I kind of miss my subscription. TBH. I like this guy's post. Hey, That's cool. I wonder where oh, Stocktwits. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, let's watch that. See how that goes. BCS is trying to break out right here. It's a crazy chart. A lot of gaps. A lot of gaps. A lot of gaps. Some would say the most. That's a crazy downfall too. You know, I sort of have to go on AMC. Cinemark can't do it for me. Although they did add some new seats in recently that are like you have like a little tray on the side of them. You can like move it back and forth. It's kind of cool. Anyways, dividend. Ooh. December 7th that came out. So you're saying that was Sunday between here and here? I don't see it. That's interesting. I have two. I didn't mean to have two. I did not mean that. Let's see, Cinemark, I believe 300 theaters. That's wow. 200 in Latin America. That's cool. 15% market share. Interesting to note. With content being the dominant driver of attendance, the weak film slate has weighed on recent quarters despite strong 2Q25 results. Meanwhile, Cinemark spent the most pandemic period repairing. Oh, dude, you cannot talk and speak at the same time. I got to turn this way down where I can like hardly hear myself. Okay. Whew. Cinemark spent the post pandemic period repairing its balance sheet, cutting its dividend, and now reinstating it as leverage trends toward 3 times by 2026. One major overhang has been the convertible note maturing on August 15th, 25, along with a call spread that creates dilution above 21.95. Associated call transactions begin expiring in November, and resolving them could remove a significant pressure point on the stock. Huh, cool. Core investment case rests on improving fundamentals, theaters entering a beat and raise phase as a much stronger film slate emerges from 4Q25 through 26. Increasing ticket and concession pricing, rising market share, and a more profitable revenue mix that makes the business healthier now than in 2019, despite lower attendance. Consensus alone implies 40% upside over the next year, with additional potential given that 2026 estimates appear overly conservative. Huh. A mid 40s share price in a year suggests roughly 75% return potential. Strategic activity in the sector, Cineworld exploring a sale, and National Amusements reportedly shopping its assets, adds optionality. Cinemark's improved balance sheet positions it to pursue a creative I don't know, acquisitions. Key catalysts include the stronger 4Q slate, resolution of the call transaction, and competitor asset sales or IPOs. Previously, we covered a bullish thesis on the Marcus Corporation by Waterboy Investing in October 2024, which highlights the company's diversified theater and hotel operations, valuable real estate, and strong balance sheet. The stock has appreciated approximately 1.55% since our coverage. Wow. The thesis still stands while the Cinemark Holdings Inc. thesis shares a similar industry focus but emphasizes stronger fundamentals and near term catalysts. Cinemark Holdings Inc. is not on our list of 30 most popular stocks among hedge funds. As per our database, 48 hedge fund portfolios held CNK at the end of the second quarter, which is 45 in the previous quarter. That's a slight increase. While we acknowledge the potential of CNK as an investment, we believe certain AI stocks offer greater upside potential and carry less downside risk. If you're looking for an extremely undervalued AI stock that also stands to benefit significantly from Trump era tariffs and the onshoring trend, see our free report on the best short term AI stock. Do it now. Do it now. That's not a terrible article. He mentioned some like optionable volume like in November. So there's a call spread. Oh, that's on Cinemark. Not. Wrong one. Let's see. November. Uh. Uh. When was that article written? December 4th. Yeah. What? I mean, it could be there and there. No, that's a weird spread. But if they went up here, go about here. Okay, that does make sense. Here and here. Call spreads on Cinemark. A terrible idea, actually. Buy. So you buy a bunch of puts, is what it looks like, and sold a bunch of calls. Yeah. Huh. I wonder how that would play out. Because as Cinemark comes down, you bought all the puts, so you're making money on the puts coming down, and then you sold all the calls, and they're going to become less valuable because price is falling. So they're going to fall further out of the money, making them less valuable. And so you would end up getting profit gained from the puts going in the money if it so chooses to. And then you would gain profit from the calls coming down in price when you eventually buy them back. Man, man, that's not bad. It's not a bad play. I like that. Neg doesn't have options because it doesn't have enough shares. I'm telling you, shares are locked up. 98% of the shares are locked up right now. Telling you. Telling you. 0.57, 0.57 million shares are floating right now. Peace off. I don't care about your experience. That's a big gap. Yeah, GameStop's going all over the place. So, what do we got after GME? Okay, let's get rid of some of these. Probably gonna crash my computer from having all these tabs open. Yeesh. Last ones, and then we're done with that. Monster. It's sitting right on its average. My Q's. Not too bad. Beetle. Ooh, $13. I might do that. I just might do that. Yeah, I just might do that. I think my share is going to get called away on this. Why is Excel left back up here? Oh, yeah, it's because I moved it down. Yeah, I think I'm going to lose my shares here. That's fine. Could open up some short puts. I might be looking at a swapperoonie. Starts moving bullish. Or it'll just free me up to move into something else. I probably should do that. I have a lot of other plays that I would want to look at. Silver's going crazy. Ford's doing all right. It's on a good uptrend right now. Ford's doing good. Ford's doing good. That's a long-term hold, man. It's a long-term hold. All right. Just checking charts. So I'll catch you later.